Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to delete multiple carousels you've shared on Instagram on your PC with the new update. So let's get started. First, open your Instagram account on your PC and navigate to your profile page. Next, at the bottom left corner of the screen, click on the More icon or the three dots to access the menu options. From the menu, click on Your Activity to view your shared content. Now, scroll down to the Photos and Videos section and then the Reels section to find the carousels you have shared. Click on the Select button at the top right corner. You can now select the carousels you want to delete by clicking on them. Once you have selected the carousels, click on the Delete button and confirm the deletion process. And that's it. You've successfully deleted multiple carousels you've shared on Instagram on your PC. It's a quick and easy process that can help you keep your profile clean and organized. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.